Finally, after 12 days of traveling and waiting, we are leaving the United States and headed to the Bahamas. Right after we entered the Gulf Stream, I stupidly broke my crown on a power bar, but we decided to keep on going. When you cross the Gulf Stream, you see a ton of tanker ships. This guy decided to play chicken with one.
I'll show what the radar looks like.
We were about 1 nautical mile away from that big boat, and he was less. We actually heard them call him on the VHF and say, "Hey, yo, head to our stern," and he finally did. I stuck my crown back in and held it in place with some crest white strips, and we were good to go. You can't head straight for Bimini because the Gulf Stream will pull you south so fast. There's math involved with this, so suffice it to say, my husband did all the calculations. This is the first time we got to use a quarantine flag. It's so bright yellow and new. We were so excited to finally see the Bahamas, and we could see a bunch of other sailboats out there as well, headed the same way. We were hauling ass to get there with the sails up and both motors running at 2,500 RPM. We did not want to come in at low tide because we'd heard it gets super shallow. It was really cool to see all the other boats headed in with us as well.
To the Bahamas!
If you follow Itchy Boots on TikTok, you'll know what I just said, and if you don't, you definitely should. Recent local knowledge for getting in and out of shallow water is crucial. And 70 miles later, we were docked in the Bahamas. We picked the Hilton because it was the most expensive place you could dock in Bimini, and we wanted to use our points. Seriously though, it was because we'd heard that there have been some bribery issues with customs and immigration, and the Hilton has a guy that walks you over there and makes sure that doesn't happen. So for one night, we got to hang out with the super yachts. Next up, we explore North Bimini and then decide we want to see what South Bimini looks like. See you out there.